Fannie Mae says you can qualify for a conventional loan after bankruptcy in 4 years from your Chapter 7 discharge date. Not 7, not 10. 4. If someone told you different, they either did not read the manual or they added their own rule on top and never told you. You are probably watching this because you filed Chapter 7, you rebuilt your credit, you got your finances back on track, and then a lender told you no, or worse, not yet. A client of mine named Tyrone, a pharmacist from Tupelo, Mississippi, heard that same number. His bankruptcy came from his child's emergency surgery. He did everything right after. He just needed someone to read the actual rule. Stay to the end, and I will give you the exact sentence to say to your lender today, word for word, that will either get your file reconsidered or prove they are working from their own rule instead of the actual standard. The guidelines say the standard waiting period after Chapter 7 is 4 years from your discharge date. The guidelines also say if your bankruptcy was caused by something outside your control, a medical crisis, a job loss, a death in the family, that waiting period drops to 2 years. 2 years. Now here is what most lenders will never explain. There are 2 sets of rules. There is the government guideline, which is the floor. Then there is what your specific lender decided to add on top. That extra rule is called an overlay. Fannie Mae says 4 years. Your lender can decide they want 7. They are allowed to do that. They just are not required to tell you that is what they are doing. That is why Tyrone was sitting on the sideline for 3 years, waiting on a countdown clock someone else invented. For Tyrone, I confirmed the 4-year standard, identified the extenuating circumstances provision, had him document his son's surgery with hospital bills and a written explanation, then matched his file to an investor working to the actual guideline. His 680 credit score and $95,000 income made the file workable. I read the actual government manuals. Most lenders repeat what they heard in training. Here is what I promised you.